Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charissa, and for today's video we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm base box for the month of March. For all of you guys that does not know what a Boxycharm is a makeup subscription. You do get makeup, skincare, accessory, or like whatever, tools, brushes. You get all of this shebang. I don't know if you can hear that in the background, but that is the maintenance of my apartment, trying to whack some weed. So this one is the base box. This one retails for $25 a month. You do get 5 full-size items if I'm not mistaken, because I haven't filmed a video in like a month now and I kind of lost track. So this one is our base box. So let's go ahead and unbox this one. So like what I said, so for the base box on the month of May, we also have the same theme on our, what do you call this, on our premium box. It's also flourish, and let's just go check it out. So as far as I can remember, this Mura, the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer, this one is my choice for my base box. So this guy right here retail for $74, and it detoxifies, revitalize skin overnight. So I'm pretty much excited of trying this tonight, since my skin is not happy. Well, when does my skin has been happy? It's always not happy. So please stop. Oh, ignore. And our second product for this month is Hot Toddy. It sounds like Hot Toddy, the drink. A Heat Protectant Mist. So this is by Dry Bar. I'm pretty much excited about this because you know this girl always washes her hair, damage and bleach it already multiple times, and we need to protect the hair before we actually put any heat on it. So I'm pretty much excited to try this. I just want to smell it. It does not have a set into it. So this guy right here retails for $27. Can you please stop? So again, we do have some brushes. I have been receiving a lot of makeup brushes on the Boxycharm. So you know what, I want to start filming because of that noise, but I have to go to work and I don't have time. So let's just pretend that we don't have that noise and ignore. And like what I'm saying, this brush right here is a good blending brush. So it will be nice right here, and it feels really soft. So it'll be nice right here. And again, like what I said on my premium unboxing, we also have another angle brush right here. We always get this. Can someone please explain why the heck most of the makeup stacks, it will include this brush, if you know what I'm talking about, right there. So whatever. Okay, I'm sorry. Just again, ignore the noise. And we also have this Meow or Mellow. Oh, it's Mellow Cosmetic Lip Gloss. I thought it was Meow. So this guy right here retails for $18. I would have tried it on right now, but I already have a lip gloss. So, but no worries. We're gonna do a try on our Boxycharm anyway. Ooh, I like this. Oh, it's tinted. I really like that shade right there. Oh, it's so nice. Woo. So I'm probably gonna take this one off and use this one instead for work today. So, and again, we have another eyeshadow palette, and this Boxycharm is a good way of having more on your makeup collection, because this one right here is a cab, I don't know how to pronounce it. So it's Cab Cosmetics, Oh, and I really like the shade of it. This is kind of my jam. Oh, I'm pretty much excited to try this one on. So I think I'm going to be using this tomorrow for work. So I will let you guys know we were going to be filming makeup try on and the stuff that we got on our Boxycharm. We're going to be using the brush, the lip gloss, and I think that is the only makeup product that we got from our base box. So if you guys are interested in signing up on the Boxycharm, I will have a description down below. So since that guy, now that I'm almost done filming, decided to walk away further on my apartment so I don't have that noise on my background, but I gotta go to work. So again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and you get notified on all of my future uploads. I will try to upload more video. I will try to be more consistent. The struggle is real. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.